The metal does not give H2 on the treatment with a dilute HCl is Ag. The number of Z molecule of oxygen in 6.0202 into 10 to the power of 24 CO molecules is 5 grams of a molecule. The more extensive commercially used as a source of thorium as a monazite sand occurs in India at Travancore coast. The main constituent active constituent present of tea and coffee is caffeine. The maximum number of isomers for an alkaline with the chemical with a molecular formula C4H8 is number of isomers 4. Hardest form of carbon is a diamond. An important ore of aluminium is bauxite. The number of carbon electrons present in H plus is 0. Hottest part of the gas flame is known as a non-luminous part, 0 part. Human body consists of 65% of element will be present. The more 65% of element which is present in human body is oxygen. It's not a carbon, oxygen. And CH3 CH double bond O plus H2 NOH CH3HCH NH HO2 is an example of condensation reaction. The isomerism which exists between CH2 CH3 CH12 and CH2Cl is a positional isomerism. The half period of an isotope is 2 hours. After 6 hours, what fraction of the initial quality of the isotope will be left behind 1 by 8. The number of waves made by an electron moving in an orbit having maximum magnetic quantum number is plus 3 is 4. The number of atoms present in 21.6 grams of silver atomic weight 0.108 is the same as the number of 12 molecules of KMnO4. National Chemical Laboratory is present in Pune. Mass number of an atom is the number of nucleons. Number of nucleons. The high reactivity of the fluorine is due to the high electronegativity. The iron ore magnetite consists of a Fe2O3. The ionization energy of the hydrogen atom in the ground state is x kg. The energy required for an electron to jump from a second orbit to the third orbit is 5x36. The soda water contain carbonic acid. Carbogen is present in a CO poisoning. If people sleep in a closed room where charcoal fire is burning, they die due to the carbon monoxide. During fermentation, the byproduct is carbon dioxide. Simplest form of hydrocarbon is methane. The carbon cycle ensures that percentage of carbon dioxide in the air is kept almost constant. Baking soda NaHCO3. Food preservative vinegar. The methylated spirit is a mixture of methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. The scientist who synthesized the first organic compound urea in the laboratory of Whoeler, WOHELER. Acetic vinegar as a trade name is acetic acid. Oldest known organic compound is acetic acid. Marsh gas is methane. Artificial diamond is produced in a moisten. The form of carbon used in the decolorizing sugar solution is animal charcoal. Carbon containing only carbon hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. Marble is a carbon calcium carbonate. The first organic compound prepared in the laboratory is urea. The burning substance which continues to continue to burn in a jar of carbon dioxide is magnesium. Sodium carbon dioxide is known as refrigerant, is used in refrigerant. Which of the following is not a metal? Helium is not a metal. In this group, the process that uh, place in a atom bomb is a nuclear fusion, not in a chemical reaction, distillation of water. The formula of a cane sugar is C2H22O11. C2H22O11. Lunar caustic is a silver nitrate. Alum is a purification of water. Bleaching agent is hydrogen peroxide, brine solution. Sodium chloride in water. Compound used in the photography. Thiosulfate. Hypo. Sodium thiosulfate. Quicklime. CaO. An element which is preserved underwater is a white phosphorus. A non-metal which is good conductor of electricity is graphite. Metalloid is arsenic. Halogen is astatite. The addition of neutrons to the nucleus of an atom increases the atomic number of the atom. Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Gas law equation P1 V1 T2 P2 V2 T1. Real gases tends to become idle ఇట్లా బిహేవ్ చేస్తారంటే లో టెంపరేచర్ లో ప్రెషర్ హై టెంపరేచర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు. రేడియం ఈజ్ ఐసోలేటెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ pitch blending. Isotope differ in the number of neutrons. Isotopesలో న్యూట్రాన్స్ డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటాయి. The term nucleon refers to nucleon అంటే న్యూట్రాన్స్, protons ఈ రెండింటిని కలిపి. The long form of periodic table is based on the atomic number. Then mixture of ethyl alcohol and the water is separated by the frictional distillation. Neutron was discovered by Chadwick. The modern system of symbols was evolved in the Berzelius, the king of the chemical sulfuric acid. Odd man out is brass, whereas కామన్ సో ఇవన్నీ డిజాల్వ్ అవుతాయి అంటే వాటర్ లిక్విడ్ అంటే డిజాల్వింగ్ స్టేజ్లో బ్రాస్ కాదు. ద నాన్ మెటల్ విచ్ హ్యాస్ అ షైనింగ్ అపియరెన్స్ యాజ్ అయోడిన్.